But first, we begin with reporter Andres Gutierrez, who is following the trial of Deval Kinnear. Andres?
Caitlin, the day began with a bombshell allegation from prosecutors during opening statements claiming that some of the evidence in this case may have been planted. They believe that a gun was placed near Cameron Lamb's left hand after he was shot before crime scene investigators arrived. The state says that one of their witnesses last saw that gun near a set of stairs by the garage that Lamb was backing his truck into when Detective Eric Deval Kinnear fired 4 rounds, killing Lamb. They also point out that at the morgue they found 2 bullets inside one of Lamb's pockets, which weren't there when crime scene technicians took photos of Lamb's belongings at the scene. In their opening statement, the defense said the prosecution's key witness had given inconsistent statements about the location of Lamb's gun. Now, Deval Kinnear has also claimed that he saw Lamb point a gun at another detective with his left hand, prompting him to shoot. The prosecutors argued that Lamb couldn't use his left hand because of an injury. This afternoon, that other detective, Troy SCHWALM, who's now a sergeant, testified.
Whenever the shooting happened, I'm not sure if the hand was played out. It may have been, but looking back on it now, I don't know. All I saw was the left hand, and it was one of those things that was the critical incident type of thing that people recall.
Now, it is a judge listening to the evidence in this case because Deval Kinnear's team decided to go for a bench trial versus having a jury listen and decide whether or not he's innocent. This is the first day out of 5 days set aside for this trial. Reporting live in downtown Kansas City, Andres Gutierrez, KSHB 41 News.
All right, Andres, and just to recap, Deval Kinnear chose to waive his right to a trial by jury, meaning the judge will make the final ruling in this case. Today, advocates for Cameron Lamb expressed concern over that bench trial.
In our community, we're always really wary of the justice system because it has not served us well. Right. But we would certainly rather go forward and have a jury rather than to have a judge, one person, sit and hear this case.
This judge also has sided with the state in many cases, and the state is putting forward irrefutable evidence of Officer Deval Kinnear's guilt.